Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening the operating system emoji picker because that is the one reliable desktop method. On Windows, press the Windows key plus period or semicolon. On Mac, press Control with Command and space. Once opened, you will see Categories, Search, and Recently Used Items. Make sure to position your cursor in the text field you want to edit before calling the picker. This method inserts emojis inline and respects font and emoji style, so you get platform-native rendering automatically. Once the picker appears, you search or browse for the emoji you need. Type a keyword such as smile or pizza to filter results quickly. This speeds selection and avoids scrolling. You can move with arrow keys for fast keyboard-only insertion, or click with the mouse if you prefer. After you select an emoji, press Enter or click to insert it where your cursor sits. Make sure to confirm the emoji renders correctly in your app before sending or saving your text. To finish, compose your message by combining emojis and regular text. Add skin tone or gender modifiers when the picker offers them, and arrange spacing so they read as intended. Once done, rely on the Recent tab for repeats to speed future use. If an emoji appears as a box or fails to insert, make sure the application supports emoji and your system fonts are up to date. Switching to a modern app or updating the OS typically resolves rendering problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.